Understanding thermal equilibrium, a key concept in physics. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that connects the worlds of physics and our everyday life. Thermal equilibrium. It's a term you might have come across in science classes, but today, we're going to break it down in a way that's easy to understand and relate to. So, stay tuned as we explore what thermal equilibrium means and why it's so important. Thermal equilibrium is a concept in thermodynamics, a branch of physics that deals with heat, work, and temperature. It occurs when two objects or systems that are in contact with each other reach the same temperature and there is no longer any heat transfer between them. In simple terms, it's like when your hot coffee cools down to room temperature after a while. The coffee and the room air have reached thermal equilibrium because they are now at the same temperature, and heat has stopped flowing from the coffee to the air. Thermal equilibrium is closely related to the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. This law underpins the concept of thermal equilibrium by explaining how energy, in the form of heat, moves from one body to another until both bodies have the same energy level, or temperature. Another important concept is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. It might sound complicated, but it simply states that if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. This law helps scientists and engineers understand and predict how energy will flow in complex systems. Thermal equilibrium is not just a theoretical concept, it's all around us. Here are a few examples. A cold drink on a hot day. When you leave a cold drink outside on a hot day, it eventually warms up to the ambient temperature. The drink and the surrounding air have reached thermal equilibrium. Central heating. Your home's heating system distributes heat evenly until the entire room reaches a consistent temperature, achieving thermal equilibrium. Swimming pool water. On a sunny day, the water in a pool will gradually warm up to match the temperature of the surrounding air, demonstrating thermal equilibrium. Thank you for joining us to explore the fascinating concept of thermal equilibrium. We've seen how it's a fundamental principle that describes how temperatures equalize in different systems, from a cup of coffee cooling down to how our homes stay warm in winter. We hope this video has shed some light on this important physical principle and made it a bit easier to understand. Remember, physics is not just about formulas and theories, it's about understanding the world around us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. See you in the next video.